Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I worked for Howard Johnson for many years, for 10 years, from 1960 to 1970. In the test kitchen, I was the director of research. And here I'm showing you one hot dog that I did here that I call the curly dog. I cut it this way and here. I don't even remember when we came out with this. It was for fun. And we never really use it on the menu, but I use it for my granddaughter who loved the curly dog. So here we are. I cut it about a quarter with each time, and you put it in a skillet like this. And another one here, and they kind of you help them to curl up a little bit as they cook on each side. It's just fun for the kid to do that. So I thought that I would do some type of relish to put in the middle of it. So I have a little bit of onion here. So here it is, some onion. A pickle. Start browning. We put a little bit of scallion in there. A bit of hot sauce here. And some ketchup. I like to serve that on hamburger bun, half hamburger bun, or some English muffin here. So let's see the way. Yeah, they are curling up. And I think this is about it here. The curly dog, which I'm going to arrange on top of that muffin here, and fill up the center with my relish. And this is it. You do that for the kid, they would love you. This is the best curly dog you ever had. Happy cooking.